Good day everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you the sign-in request module and how to initiate sign-in request. So to do that, you check the left-hand side and then you see a sign-in request button. Let me toggle it on. As you can see, sign-in request. So you can just tap on this to go straight to the sign-in request page. But just to note that you can as well sign with any of these features here. So you can sign with others, you can sign alone, you can sign in bulk, or use an existing template. But for this, we're going to click on sign-in request. So once we click on this, we're able to see the new signing requests. You also be able to see inbox, you're able to see sent, you also be able to see your draft. For the inbox, it displays all the documents that you've received over a particular time. As you can see here, we can see the title of the document. We can also see the number of recipients assigned to each of these documents. Then we have status. This is showing in progress because we have to take action and it's not yet completed. Then we also have created, which shows the time and the date that that particular document was created. Then we also have the numbers of field assigned or controls assigned to that document. So this is showing two fields assigned because I have two controls on this document that needs my action. Then I also have a take action button that once I click on, it will take me straight to the document and then I can append my signature or do whatever action that I've been told to carry out. Then here we have three buttons, and once I click on this, I'll be able to view the document. I can also edit. I can also view the sign-in request activities, which is this. So for this, you're able to see every event or activity that's happened on that document or is happening in real time. Then here we also have save as templates. That's if you want to save this particular document structure that you have now as an existing template, you can just save this. Then you can also resend to signatories or delete the document. And over here we have filters. You can filter by duration. You can also filter by status. That's if you want to see the documents that are in progress or the ones that are completed. You can also click on this button here to watch tutorial, to go straight to the YouTube channel and watch a tutorial on how to sign or initiate a signing request. Then here we have sent, which displays all the documents that you sent out. You also have drafts, which displays all the documents that you're yet to complete. Then we have quick click here. If you just want to go straight to the completed ones, the rejected ones, post, record, you can as well use this. Then over here, we have new signing request. Now this is used to initiate a signing request. We have the self-sign. This is if you just want to sign a document on your own without having to send to anybody. We also have sign with others. This allows you to send documents for signing to users in your organization or users outside the organization. We also have bulk signing, which allows you to send a document to multiple recipients at once. So I'll click on sign with others. Then I will upload a document. Click onto this. We accept PDF, doc, JPG, whatever documents that you have. Then here we have the categories of the documents. Then over here we have the list of priorities, which ranges from low to high. Then we also have drive. We have Flowmono drive, our in-house drive here. You can also implement or integrate your drive for you if you want. Then we have email subject and we also have email message, which you can completely edit. So I'm just going to edit this. Please sign. Okay, then we also have email subject here, which works exactly the same way your mail works. And underneath here we have the recipient section. So over here you can add the recipients that you want to send the document to. So I'm going to add myself. Okay, I'm also going to add another recipient. So this one is going to be the external recipient. Okay. All right, so I've added the recipients. One is an internal user, one is an external recipient. Then over here, we have a button that allows recipient to sign in order. So if I toggle this on, what I'm trying to say is I want this recipient here to sign sequentially. So let's just say that you want Raquel to sign before Luatus. Now you've made the flow like this already. You can just use the arrows over here to switch between the recipient. But since I don't want that, I'm going to toggle it off. Then we also have allow timestamp on signature. That's if you want the timestamp to show on the signature, then you turn this on. If you don't want it to show, then you turn it off. Then over here we have manage download permissions. So once I toggle this off or click on this, it means that I don't want Oluwatosin to be able to download the document. So here is just a section whereby you can decide if you want each user to be able to download, or if you don't want them to be able to download the document after signing. Then here we have sign-in request settings. For this sign-in request settings, here you'll be able to add whatever settings that you want to add. So do you want recipient to sign in order? Do you want to allow recipient to add controls? You can click on this. Do you want this sign-in request flow to stop after any document rejection? Maybe anybody has rejected documents, then you just click on this. Do you want to set password to the document? Maybe before they access it, then an OTP will be sent to them. You can as well just click on this. Then we have validity and reminder. Validity is just the time you want the document to last for. So what you're trying to say here is once you add a particular date here, we are saying that all recipients must sign that document before the 30th of 2025, as you see that I've added. So you can just change it to any dates that you want. You can change it to 22, you can change it to any month as well. So the document will last till the expiration date, which is the validity period. Then over here we have reminder. Reminder just follows up with automatic reminders to these signers that you've added. So they'll keep on receiving emails until they sign or decline the envelope. So you can set a date, you can set time, and you can also set the flow if you want it to repeat or if you do not want it to repeat. So I'm going to cancel this. Okay, then you can add recipients from here and as well add recipients from here. So I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so we have our document. Over here, we have simple signature and we also have digital signature. So digital signature adds an extra layer of security on your document. So it cannot be edited. Nothing can be done once it has been signed already. It is already locked and it cannot be tampered with. We're going to use simple signature. Then we have the recipients that we already added in the other process. As you can see, I have Oluwatosin and then I also have my other recipient here. So once I click on Tosin, it means that every control that we add in here belongs to Tosin. So I'm going to drag in signature control for her. I'm also going to drag in name. Okay. This can be adjusted. Okay. Then I also have the other recipient. So I'm going to drag in controls for her too. Okay. Okay, so we have these controls that you can move for your convenience. So you can just move it to anywhere you want. We also have variable controls and fillable controls. So depending on what control that you want to use, you can as well search for the control here. Then here we have talk to Flowmono AI. That's if you want Flowmono AI to give you a summary of the document, you can just click on this. Then we also have save as draft, whereby you can click on this button. That's if you don't want to complete it or if you want to come back to it later. We also have the download button. That's if you just want to download this document. Then we have the control locator. So the control locator shows the controls that you've added already. As you can see here, once I clicked on this, it displayed all the controls I've added. It displayed signature, name, signature, and name. So this will just display the number of controls that has been added on that document. Then we have send to signatories here. So once I click on this, it's going to send automatically to the recipients that I've added. As you can see, sent to document signatories successfully. So that's how to initiate sign-in request. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.